This is the December 18th, 2011 Math SAT question of the day. A machine can insert letters in envelopes at the rate of 120 per minute. So we have an insert machine that has a rate 120 units per minute. Another machine can stamp the envelopes at the rate of 3 per second. So stamp can do 3 units per second. How many such stamping machines are needed to keep up with 18 inserting machines of this kind? So what we're trying to do is figure out if I get so many units per time, do I have kind of an equal rate of units being inserted as well as units being stamped? Okay, so I have 18 inserting machines. 18 times 120 units gives me this many total units per minute. That has to be equal to how many? So X stamping machines times 3 units per second. One of the cool things about math is the units here have to work out. In other words, the dimensions of time have to be the same on both sides of the equation before I can even start clearing this out and getting X by itself. So one thing to remember is 1 minute is 60 seconds. So in order to, these aren't quite equal yet, so let me do this. I'm working on getting them equal, but I need to make sure that these units, these time units, minute here and second here, are comparable. So this factor here helps me convert seconds to minutes. But I can also say that this factor here lets me convert seconds to minutes. When I look at how the units need to cancel and get converted on this side of the equation, I think I want to multiply over here by 60 seconds per minute. So this is the equation that I'm going to solve. 18 times 120 units per minute. I'm sorry about the confusion there about units of time and units of letters or envelopes, but 3 units per second, remember that's stamping, times 60 seconds in 1 minute. So if I were to multiply these out, seconds cancel. I have units per minute on this side of the equation. And I have, here, let me do this again. I have units per minute over here, and when I cancel these seconds here, I have units per minute on this side of the equation. So that means, going back to my equation here, 18 times 120 units per minute equals X. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by 3 times 60 units per minute. So I'm going to, over here, 1 over 3 times 60. Now this is units down here, and minutes up here per 1 minute equals X. So 18 times 120 over 3 times 60 equals X. Let's double check that my units canceled out here. So I have minutes minutes, units, units. So I have a pure number. That makes sense. Let's do a little cancellation here. This is 2 times 60 here, so this is 60 goes into 20 two times, 3 goes into 18 6 times, so that's equal to 12. So the answer is A, 12